I've told you before that I went back to college in 1991 to get my BFA, my Bachelor of Fine Arts. Wanted to be a sculptor, a studio artist, a painter. You know, I wanted to move away from design and into fine art. And in that first year in 1991, I took all the basic classes, even though I had them before at Cal Poly, studying both architecture and graphic communications. And this was one of the introductory art courses. And the assignment was imagine you're stranded on a deserted island for a year. Design a survival kit and present it in our next class meeting. Every other student did something practical. You know, fishing line, you know the routine. You're on a desert island. You got to figure out how to survive. This is what I brought. I brought this box. This is actually a box that business cards are packed inside of. This is the outside of the box that I placed elements on. This is the inside of the box that I placed this little pocket where this key, I think there's 7 pages of keys that link the quotes or the author to the quotes. And the quotes, not from this page, but other pages, were on perfectly sized 2-inch high, 3.5-inch wide pieces of paper that I cut by hand. And you can see here, they're cut perfectly. There's 366 of these pieces of paper to represent, could be a leap year, I don't know. So I would have one quote per day to try to maintain my sanity. Every day I'd choose the next quote in the box. And inside this box there was a 6-sided die. Dice, but you only had one. And on each of the sides was a number. But on each side of the die was just a single spot. And the key was to get to here. But the single spot would move you. Only, one move, but this represented a hole, which was impossible to get beyond. Well, that's what this symbol has to do with. That's what these quotes have to do with. That's what this symbol here, I don't know. Some of you may see it because once you see it, it's plain as day. Some of you may have no idea what this is. But the idea was you have to transcend your circumstances. You have to move beyond what seemingly is possible. And, I finished my presentation and half the class are looking at me like, are you insane? And, the other half are going, whoa. So the point is, just like yesterday, taking simple things and making something complex or something that's engaging. Not taking the obvious path to the answer. School teaches you right and wrong answers. I'm trying to teach you, find new territory. Do something no one's ever done before. Try to imagine, we're talking about patterns, and I'm getting a lot of, patterns. What else can you do with those? Same with the rotate tool. Same with the isometric. Same with the composites. With every single thing I'm teaching you, what can you do that's unexpected, that's beyond the norm, that will amaze you? I never knew I could do something like that. That's the point. Now, whether or not this communicated with you, I don't know. But back here, this is something I wrote, you can see, back in 1987. And yeah, if I wrote it today, I would break this up into several other sentences rather than having this run-on sentence here. But that's the quote. That's where it is right here on this page, right here at the bottom. And I didn't take this, I took this picture back in, 2018, I think is the date, February of 2018. And this just happened to be how I arranged it on that day. I took this picture a few minutes ago and then just spliced them together so I could have a desktop picture to show you, because I'm trying to hammer home, geez, you guys, make new desktop pictures. Do something amazing. Put it on your computer, look at it and go, whoa, I did that. Okay, I hurt my neck. I don't know what happened last night or 2 nights ago when I was sleeping, but I woke up. I couldn't even stand up straight. I've in agony all day. So, however I feel tomorrow, I may be standing funny, but I'm going to go ahead and have my say. There you go. And thanks for listening. And try to think literally inside the box, if you know what I mean, because inside the box is something that can help you transcend, not just get outside, but to escape the little prison you're in, whether it's perceptual or isolated like a desert island.